Hello guys, সবাই কেমন আছেন? Uh, Welcome to my new video. So today's video we're gonna do the unboxing of my new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This one I bought it like just 2 days ago and I just received it now. So yeah, let's go, let's check it out. So here it is guys. Let's quickly unbox it and let me open the thing. Let's check what we have. So wow, yeah, and here it is, the all new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look at this one, look at the color of it. And I think I've got the 256 GB Desert Titanium 16 Pro Max. Yeah, so let's open it. Wow, look at the color of it. It's fresh. Guys, I love this, I love this titanium body, the color. Maybe this place you gonna get some fingerprints, অনেক fingerprints বসবে. So yeah, and here especially এই প্লেসগুলোতে অনেক fingerprints বসবে. Hello English, China mainland. Set up without another device. Let me just quickly do the settings and I'll be right back. Yeah, so guys, iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro Max এই জিনিসটা নতুন ফিচার দিয়েছে তাদের, যে এই অ্যাকশন বাটন যেটা আছে এখানে আপনি চাইলে সেট করতে পারবেন, কাস্টমাইজ করতে পারবেন এই যে বাটনটা. So like if I go for customization, I can do the silent mode, focus and camera, flashlight, voice memos, all of these stuffs I can set. So yeah, so here is the new আইফোনের নতুন যেই বাটনটা দিয়েছে তারা, এই জায়গাটাতে আপনি ক্যামেরা কন্ট্রোলস করতে পারবেন. So yeah, let's check the camera. Okay, photographic style, let's try it. So you can set some tones, color tones. And how about this one? Here's the zoom. Wow. So that's it guys, for today. The all new iPhone 16 Pro Max. And yeah, the camera is still the same, the design is still the same, like yeah, like আগের গুলো সাথে প্রো ম্যাক্স গুলো মোস্টলি সেমই হয়, জাস্ট একটু হাইটটা মেবি একটু বেড়েছে এই জায়গাটাতে, but I like the body. I like this titanium feelings, you know. Yep. Look at the difference between the 15 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. I still like my 15 Pro more than the 16 Pro.